She's finally back from fabrication. And I am overly impressed, ecstatic, excited, all of the above. Because this thing looks amazing. Shout out to Final Form Fab in Marietta, Georgia. Everything is just perfect. Like, look at those welds. The aluminum work, all of it. Turbo support's looking good too. Downpipes, all the way back. Some small K&N filters because I don't like turbo guards. 50mm wastegates. I don't know how big that blow off is, but it's supposed to be enough for 3,000 horsepower, so I think we're good. So right now, I got the blower box out because I'm running my fuse block and my ECU into the cabin. Through that, that's inside the car. He made a block off plate for that, but I need to cut up this harness. It's got ECU connectors on it, and the rest of them are stuffed down in here, which I gotta get out. We'll be all good to go. Green wire, pink and black wire. I need this big fat purple wire and then the ground, which is the black and white stripe. It's an engine ground, but I'm trying to think if I can ground it to chassis and not even have to run it and just ground it on the inside. Where's that wire? Oh, here's the big fat purple wire. Tris. Which I've lost. Oh no, I have it. That's it. Okay, so it means that this I don't have any electrical tape, so 3M tape it is right now. If I can get tape off. I'll probably go a little further back in there. Because that harness goes up over the transmission just for as speed sensor to manual, so I don't have my baby daily in a Impala, but it could be worse. It could be daily in a Chrysler 200, but or Chrysler 200, both Chrysler Express. So this is where I'm at. I've got all the wires I need extended to a Deutsch connector for a bulkhead through the firewall. Wires, whatever, from the body harness. Extend them in as well. after all the wiring is done, the fuse block is mounted. Obviously, there's probably gonna be other sensors and stuff that I add because the turbos. So I'll do separate harnesses for that. So maybe mini bulkheads, I don't know. It'll be turbocharged forever, so it's not gonna get removed. And this car is, I'm not gonna get rid of this car until it. Nope, just not gonna get rid of it. After that, I have to get all the AN fittings to plumb my intercooler system. Performance intercooler brick. They gotta go, we're gonna split off in the front and the back. T in up there with two 16 AN ones that go that way. One's gonna go back. One's gonna come forward through the heat exchanger. And then it's gonna go all the way back with the other one into an ice box that I'm gonna have in the back. Then I get to run fuel as well. I'm gonna run, since it is twin, it's turboed, and I just got an extra mile catch can. On the AOS. And there's this, I can program for it, but there's a certain way you run that AOS and a catch can to make them work. Just to prolong the life of it. They're kind of in a cool area, so they might not get that. Well, the turbos are going to be water cooled, so those are checked. But I have to order a bunch more parts. Like, let's just say, in order to finish, just get it running. Not a new motor. It needs a motor, but it's not going to be a new cam. In order to finish it, I need probably around $6,000 more on top of what I've already spent, which is absurd and obscene amount of money. Because I think just for all the parts for the turbos was right around $2,000. Fabrication work plus his materials, this was his materials, was another $6,000. Yeah, it's a lot. I'm gonna put a GPI stage 4 cam in it, no fly cut. It's gonna get a McLeod, whatever you want to call it, twin disc clutch. Just because I'm not gonna spend the $3,000 on the monster clutch just yet. I don't need it for what it's going to make with this engine. I'm only going to run 700, 750 out of this, which is pushing it for an engine with 130,000 miles on it. But yeah,